we get, so 9 plus p square is equal to 25. So p square equal to 25 minus 9, p square equal to 16. So what implies p equal to plus minus 4. So anywhere given p equal to plus minus 4, check its answer. Yes, first is given. So what's the value of p? P equal to, therefore p equal to plus minus 4 is your answer. Whose of question number 15 multiple choice. 16. A line segment is of length 10 unit. So we have taken a line segment AB. So first we can write in its solution AB equal to 10 units. If the coordinate of its one end point are, so we have taken this 2 and minus 3, and the abscissa of other end is 10. Abscissa meaning x-axis, so this is 10, and what is y? This we have to find out. So how can we find out this? So we know this I have written, this is number 1. So what I can find out? AB equal to OB minus OA. So what is this? This I have written like this. Under the root OB 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. This is 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get what we get. Left hand side equals, it's meaning right hand side also equal. Minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus p whole square is equal to 10. This is 3. Squaring equation 3 both side meaning left hand side and right hand side. So it's meaning 8 square 64 plus minus 3 minus p whole square is equal to 100. Square of 10 is 100. So 64 plus 3 square 9 plus p square plus 3 to the 6p equal to 100. Same question repeating but statement changing. So how much this? 73. So what's it become? P square plus 6p plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. So p square plus 6p minus 27 equal to 0. So make its factor plus 9p minus 3p minus 27 equal to 0. Again we will check our step number 1 is right or wrong. What's the sum of this? 6p, it's meaning step number 1 is right. What's its product? Minus 27p square. And what's their product? This product, this also minus 27p square. It's meaning our step both are right. Factorization is right. So what we can take common? P plus 9, then minus 3, p plus 9 is equal to 0. So what's common? P plus 9 is common and p minus 3 equal to 0. So what are the value of p? P equal to minus 9 and 3. Anywhere p value minus 9 and 3. Check one time. This b. P value 2 given, 3 given and minus 9 given. What it may be order? First is minus